All right. Now see, here are two examples of a PPT. Okay, so this was the first PPT. It had third page. It had 3 pages. All right. Now this is another example of PPT. Okay. So tell me which PPT you people like, first or the second one?
Second one.
Why? Why the second one? See, there are many problems in the first PPT. The first problem is too much animation. Can you see the text are moving too much? This is distracting, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the second one, second PPT have a specific set of design which looks good. See, the first page, the second page, and the third page all have the same design. So it looks very subtle, very good, very neat. Okay. So now we'll start with how to start a PPT. All right. Now tell me, who here owns a laptop or a PC? Anyone?
No, sir.
Don't worry. You can also use PowerPoint in your mobile phones. You have to download one software which is PowerPoint, obviously. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So देखो अभी. There are, this is PowerPoint. This is the home screen of PowerPoint. Okay. There are many options. We here have file option. Then we have home option. Then we have insert option. Then we have draw option, design, transition, animation, slideshow, and these are not for our use. Okay. We have to learn these many. So the first option is file option. What does a file option do?
To take pages.
To add new pages or to start a new PowerPoint presentation. Okay. See, I hope the screen is visible, right? See, this is a PowerPoint presentation. This is the file menu of a PowerPoint presentation. Now, what we can do here is we can create a new PowerPoint presentation or we can open a previous one. All right.
Yeah, okay, sir.
The second option is home. In home, we have various options like to create a new slide, to select a new layout, to add section, etc., etc. So let's start a new PowerPoint presentation, a blank presentation. Okay. So here we are. Now this is title. This is title. What is a title? Whenever we start a new chapter, what we do?
We give a title.
We give a title. Very good. So here we'll give a title. This is for any new topic we are starting. Like today's topic is
How
How
to PPT.
PPT. All right. Now you can put the title anywhere, like on top. Okay. And then subtitle, like any details about PPT. For example, the first point should be file menu. The second should be home. The third one should be insert. Like you can write all the data here. All right. On your mobile phone, start a new PowerPoint presentation. Do you have Microsoft Office or PowerPoint on your phones?
No, sir.
Can you download it right now?
Yes, sir.
Please do the same.
Sir, what can we type for download?
A PowerPoint only, beta. In the Google Play Store, type PowerPoint. 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 PowerPoint is very useful, all right? Did you find the application, beta?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, there are many options.
Select the first one, beta. It should be from Microsoft. Microsoft PowerPoint. Did you find the one, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me know when it is installed. All right. So I'll explain the basics till then. All right. See, this is home section. These are various sections. This is home. We have insert, draw, design, transition, animation, and slideshow. Okay. The home section. Are you familiar with Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word or Paint?
Yes, sir.
Or Notepad?
Yes,
So
sir.
in this also, see, this section will come to this later. This is clipboard section. Okay. This is slide section. Now, see, when you click here and click new slide, we got another one. So now we have two slides. These are called slides. These are called slides. Okay. Now, there are various options to add new slide. Like click here directly, you'll get a new slide, or right click here and select new slide. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So is the PowerPoint application downloaded in your phone?
Yes, sir. Done.
Open it up. Create a blank presentation. Did you create a new blank presentation?
No, sir.
Is there any problem?
Sir, software was asking email ID. I was typing.
Okay. When you open the software, on the right hand corner, on the top right hand corner, there is a plus button. You have to click that. And then there you will get various options. Simply select blank presentation and say no thanks. Wait, let me present via my phone.
Yes, sir, done.
Wait a second. Huh? Let me start with my mobile phone. Is my screen visible right now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
See. When you open the application, there is this plus sign. You have to click it and then select blank presentation. Yes.
सर जो आपने ऐप डाउनलोड किया उसका फुल नेम बताओ ना.
जो ऐप डाउनलोड किया क्या हुआ बेटा?
उसका मतलब पूरा नाम क्या है?
It is Microsoft PowerPoint beta. Let me show you this one.
ओके सर.
It is from Microsoft Corporation. When you search PowerPoint, this is the first application which you will get with us. Okay. So we go to PowerPoint and then click this plus button. In this, we'll get various options: blank presentation, then Madison, then Atlas, Gallery, Parcel. These are various themes. Okay, you can select any theme, or what you can do is start with a blank presentation. Try outline preview. No, thank you. I don't want to sign in right now. So is this screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this screen is open in your mobile phone.
Yes, sir.
Now double tap to add title, and here you can write the topic name, how to PPT. Okay. Then add subtitle. So our first slide is ready. Did you complete this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, in the bottom, there are various options available. What are those options? See, the first option is layout. You can change the layout. Now, what is layout? See, when we started this, it was the space for title area. How to PPT is a title. Okay. Now there are various options to put the title. You can put the title in the middle, or at the top, or at the bottom. Can you tell me which is the perfect position to keep the title?
Upside.
Up on the top. Simple. Now, see, when we select the title, we are getting different option. Can you see BIUA?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
On the screen, beta. On the screen which I am presenting.
Yes, sir. Downside.
Okay. So the B option, what does it do? See, let me select the B option and you observe the changes. Okay. Did anything happen?
Yes, sir.
What happened?
So letters are bold.
Very good. So B stands for
Bold.
bold. Very good. B stands for bold. So this is option to make the letters bold. Okay. Now I see the changes. Okay. Did anything happen?
Yes, sir.
The letters are slightly slant. Okay. So I stands for italic. I stands for italic.
Italic.
अब ये ऑप्शन क्या करता है बेटा, ये थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा कर देता है लेटर्स को. ठीक है. नाउ यू सी द चेंजेस. ओके. व्हाट हैपेंड?
Underline.
Underline.
So U stands for
Underline.
Underline.
underline. Very good. Now A. Let's see what happens. Okay. It is asking for color. Blue. Did anything happen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Color.
Color changes.
Color changed to blue. Now we can select any color, whichever we like. See, now we have orange color. So this is for color.
Font color.
Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
the next two options after A, these are for numbering. These are for numbering. See, anything happen?
Yes, sir.
What is happening?
Number pointing.
हाँ, bullet point. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now see, here what happened?
Numbers.
Number.
Numbers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this part is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now, when does that menu appear? When we select the title section or when we select the subtitle section. When we select the title section or when we select the subtitle section, then that menu appears. Else, can you see the menu?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now there is a different menu, right? So in that menu, we'll select the first option. Now, can you see different options out there?
Yes, sir.
Now let's
Yes,
select the
sir.
second option. Can you see any change?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's select another option. Can you see any change?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now another one. See, these are various layouts. What are these? Various layouts. Okay. You can select any layout, whichever you like. So this layout part is clear to everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what I want to do is, now I want to add another slide to it. Now I want to add another slide to it. Can anyone see any options for that?
Yes, sir.
Where is the option?
Downside of the screen, second one.
This one? No, this is for to start a conversation. Can you
Plus.
see another option? Look carefully, beta. There is one option.
Option.
Yes, very good. Plus, this plus option. And this adds a new slide. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the third option. The second option is called beta comment. The green plus sign you can see. That is comment.
Okay, sir.
All right. जैसे कोई भी टेक्स्ट बुक हम पढ़ रहे होते हैं तो उसमें हम स्टिकी नोट ऐड करते हैं ना लिखने के लिए कि दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन और दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
Yes, sir.
उसी तरीके से आप ये वाला ऑप्शन यूज कर सकते हैं. दिस इज कमेंट ऑप्शन. ओके.
Okay, sir.
Now the next option is table option. Now what happened? We added a table. Table is useful for adding data. If you want to add any data, you can use this table. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now what you can do is add any data. Double tap and then select 1, select 2, 3. See, we are entering the data in the table. See. So this way you can add any table. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, the third option is, the fourth option is for, can anyone guess what the fourth option is for?
Photo
Gallery.
Gallery, very good. Gallery is used to add
Photos.
photos. So in the PowerPoint presentation, we can add photos. All right. Next option is shapes. We can add any shapes. This is a shape, a circle, this is how much marks we get in mathematics exam. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this way, you can add a circle. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to write inside the circle. So do you think it is possible?
No, sir.
Everything is possible, beta. You have to double tap. Hi. I am
Okay, sir.
possible. So in this way, we can write inside a circle. And when we select this, see, we are getting option for bold, italic, underline. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now, this, can you see the next option in which inside a rectangle there is A written?
Yes, sir.
Let's see what it does. So it is a text box. What is a text box? It is a box in which you can write text. As simple as that. Hi, I am a text box. See, so till now, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, I am giving you one activity, okay? In the next class, I will feel happy if you people will complete this activity. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
So in the activity, what you have to do is create a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, this is the first step in which you have to add 5 slides. Add 5 slides. Next, you have to add one image. You have to add a table. You have to add a shape. Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
I
And-
can, sir, excuse me, sir. I
Yes.
can make a presentation in particular topic just like a save a tigers.
Oh, you can, beta. You can select any topic, whichever you want.
Okay, sir.
Okay. It's up to you. My requirements are these only. Other than that, you can add a bit of your stuff. Okay. So this is
Okay,
our
sir.
assignment.